The stock market absolutely ripped up today, so let's tell you why and what to look out for going into August 4th. Hi, my name is Matt. I'm an avid day trader and investor. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Everything is my opinion. However, I trade the markets every day, so let's dive into it. Number one, we saw oil prices collapse in a way this morning, and that was due to tensions kind of easing regarding the U.S. and Iran and some sort of negotiations going on with the Strait of Hormuz, blah, blah, blah. I feel like a broken record. How many times have we had that headline? However, oil prices reacted, and they reacted in a good way as far as risk on assets, because they went down to the low 80s per barrel, and they were pushing 88 the other day, as we were talking about in our last video. Also, number two is 10-year treasury yields. Those actually ticked down this morning. Again, good for risk on assets. Number three, earnings continue to be very, very strong. You guys saw what Amazon did last week. You just saw what Palantir did tonight, which was part of the software trade that's also kind of intertwined with AI, and they absolutely blew it out. They beat on all ends of the spectrum, and they're up over 15% after hours today. So that helps boost things up. Also, we saw a relief rally in the memory trade. So you saw what happened to SanDisk and Micron started pushing back up on that chart. Also, semiconductors as well as big tech got a nice little bounce this morning. And we had something happen, and I don't understand why more people aren't talking about this, but there was US intervention with Japan, a collaboration to actually strengthen the yen. Follow me here. Now remember, Japan is the largest holder of US treasuries, foreign holder that is. We don't want them ever facing a situation where they have to sell our bonds, basically. The Federal Reserve was instructed to sell some euros, purchase yen. This is from what I understand. They did that, squeezed out some short sellers because the yen fell to the lowest it's been in 40 years. It's kind of amazing how intertwined they are, and you probably don't realize it until you become an avid day trader and investor. You hear us talk about Japan all the time. There's a reason for that. What to look out for going into tomorrow? Of course, keep an eye out on oil prices. Any news regarding Iran and the U.S. Strait of Hormuz. So yields. See how the semi trade is doing. See how big tech reacts to tomorrow. We got Pfizer, McDonald's, and Caterpillar, and after the bell we have AMD, which is very important to the semiconductor trade, and then we got SpaceX. So prepare for fireworks tomorrow in regards to all those. It's going to be a very interesting day. I'm super excited to trade the markets. Guys, if you like this type of content, make sure to like, follow, comment, keep it green.